What's going on, guys? So in today's video we are going to be going through how to create videos for your e-commerce business. This is because after running lots of e-commerce product ads, we'll find out that videos do very well when it comes to e-commerce product, more than images or slideshows and so on. Okay, so and another thing why we like to use videos is because videos allow us to create look-alike audience, whereby we can be able to target people based on the percentage of our videos that they watch. Okay, so let me show you something quickly right here before we jump into the video. So this is one of my ad manager where I advertised a product, one of the hot selling product I'm going to also show you guys before the end of this course. So if you take a look at this place right now, you'll find out that I tagged something here: car door light conversion video look alike. Okay, so if you take a close look down here, you'll find out that this place, the car door light, we get 32 website purchases here at the cost of 2,239 naira for one of the products. Okay, but right here, because we are now running a lookalike ad, we are running out to the lookalike audience using the video based on the percentage they watch. We are now able to get people to buy this product at 1,026 naira. Okay, and this product goes for 20,000 naira for the first for one, whereas people normally buy like two because they would like to cover their four doors of the car. Okay, so as you can see, we are already making a lot of profit here because the product goes for 20,000 naira for one. But when we started running the ads to the lookalike audience of the videos we created, we now started making, achieving result at a far more lesser price than we are getting from here. Okay, so let me quickly edit this stuff to show you guys this particular one, to show you what I mean. So when I get here, go to the ad set. So scroll down. I want to show you guys something. Okay, as you are seeing here, look alike 2%, video 75% of car door light general video. So what this means that we are targeting 2% of people that look like people that have viewed our video 75%. Okay, and we're also targeting people that have already purchased the car door light video, 3% of them. So that's why to create videos for your e-commerce product is very, very important, because it's going to help you to to get massive sales from whatever you are doing. Just as I've already shown you here we just got only 32 website purchases at this price, and we get 72 website purchases at this price, which is far more less than what we're already getting here. This is like times 2, you understand, times 2 of this result. Okay, so guys, let's get into the video, and let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you how to be able to create this stuff for yourself. Okay, what's going on, guys? Immediately you get to your phone, what you have to do is go straight to your app store. If you are using an iPhone, go straight to here and download an app known as InShot, because that's what we are going to be using to create these videos. Okay, just open InShot. This is the app. I already have the app on my phone. Okay, so I think this app is also available for those of you that are using an Android phone. So go ahead, search for this app, download it, and follow through with this tutorial. Okay, so immediately you get this app on your phone, next thing that you have to do is to go on Google and download the product images that you are going to use. I've already gone ahead to download the images that we are going to use. These are the images that we are going to use to create our videos. Okay, so once you download your images, what you have to do is go straight to this app, open up this app. Okay, we are not interested in the Pro plan, so what we have to do, open up the app, click on the video, as you can see, then click on new, because we are trying to create a new video. Then right now it's going to be showing you the whole videos on your phone, but we don't need this. What we need to do right now is just to go straight and click on photos, because we want to use these photos and create videos for our e-commerce products. Okay, so what I have to do now is to select the photos I want to use. Okay, I selected the whole photos and click on this green mark here to show that I have selected the photos finished. Okay, so as you can see, it has all our photos have been imported here. Then if I play this thing now, you can see it will go to a point, it will change to another one. Okay, so let's give it a bit styling of what we need it to. Then we can first of all go to canvas. Then when you come to canvas, you can select the format you want to use. Most especially Facebook goes with, you can use the 4.4:5 ratio for Facebook. You can also use the 9:16. It's also acceptable, but don't use 16:9 because this is mainly for YouTube, this particular one. So you can go with this, you can go with 1:1, or you can go with no frame. Okay, but let's just put it at 1:1. Okay, once you're done, click on this icon. Okay, so then the next thing that we have to do is to put music. If you are interested in putting music on your video, which is also good, you can just click on music here. Then go ahead. If you want to record your own voiceover, probably you are selling a product that you want to tell people the reason why they should buy the product when the chain is scrolling, you can do it by clicking on record and record your own voiceover. But if you have your own music that you want to put, just click on tracks. If you have your own music, click on imported music and import your own music. But I don't have any music on my phone. I play most of my music from YouTube Music. Okay, I play my music online. So what I have to do is, let me come here and use one of the music that these guys give us here. So let me try and get one music here. Okay, I'm going to select any music that I pick here. Okay, that's a good music. So what you have to do is click on this download button that you're seeing here. So the music is now going to download inside our InShot app. So we are going to click on use. Okay, so if you see now, if I play this thing now, the music will now go ahead with the images. All right, so once we have done that one, if we are good to go, we click on this good icon that you're seeing here, and our video is set. So guys, once you have added the music and the music is already playing, what you have to do is just click on the good sign to save it and exit that page. So the next thing that we'll have to do is that, because this is it's taking too long for us to play the next video, so what we'll have to do here is we can click on this thing to trim it. Then we can bring it closer, so it's going to be play very fast. As you can see, if I just play now, it changed to another one immediately. Okay, so then another thing that I can do here is to also change the transition. Let's say I want to change transition. I will click this icon that you're seeing down here. Okay, so it will bring up most of these styles of transition that I can select from. If I choose this one, it's going to show me how it's going to flip. You understand? My stuff will be flipping like this. Okay, if I don't want it, I'll select this one. You see, if I don't want it, I'll select this one. Then they have more beautiful ones like these ones, but these ones are pro, so you have to pay to be able to use these ones. But making use of these transitions that are free is very, very good. Okay, so let's use this first one and click on OK. Okay, so what I have to do, as you can see, this OK that I clicked, I intentionally did this so that you see what will happen. This transition is going to affect on this one, but it's not going to affect on the remaining one. You see, the remaining one are just going just like that. So what I have to do is that once you are here, instead of clicking this particular blue tick that is on your right side, you have to click the double blue good icon here, so that it will affect on all the photos that you have here. Okay, so once I click on this thing, it says apply to all. Okay, this is what I clicked on. It says apply to all. Then what I have to do is to click yes, apply to all. So as you can see, it has been applied to all my videos. So once I play this thing now, you see the effect is now on all the videos. The effect is now on all the videos. Then the next thing I want to show you is that in case you want to add text on your videos, let's say I want to add my phone number here, all I have to do is come here, then go back here, click on text. As you can see now, you are seeing text here. Just click on that text, type in whatever you want to type here. You can say call, put your number 08012345678 if that's your number. Okay, once you have added your number, just drag this thing to wherever you want to put it. You can put it on top of here, then click this good icon that you're seeing here. Now everything has been added. Then also click the good icon to show. You can edit how long you want the phone number to show. If you want the phone number to show throughout the whole scene, all you just have to do is to spread this thing, continue to spread it till the end of the video. Okay, that's what you have to do. So once it's done now, let me play this thing so that you will see. You see, our phone number is there permanently, so that probably they can call us, or if you want them to call you to place your order. Then another thing that you can do here is, let's save this one. Okay, another thing you can do here, you can come to the end screen. Maybe you want them to tell them, okay, click the link below to buy this product. Once you get to this end screen, click this red icon that you're seeing here with plus sign in between. Just click it like this, and it will ask you to add a blank page or to add a photo or video. So what you have to click here is add a blank page. Okay, then what you have to put in that text, you cannot put a text that will just say, we click the text, then you now click the button, or click the buy now, because that might not be used. Click the buy now, click the buy now, enter button below to get this product. So you can now put it, you can go to your phone and find an arrow that is pointing down. I'm not going to waste time looking for that arrow. Let me look at, okay, I can put somebody's hand here. Okay, so once you are done, just click on the good, like you are done. As you can see, once this thing now plays till the end, I want to show you what will happen. You see, it will show them click the buy now button below to get this product. So guys, once you are finished editing your video, you can take your time, edit your video to suit how you want it to look like. Once you are done with editing your video, what you have to do is go up here and click this icon that you're seeing here. Click it, it will tell you to save your video. You understand? It will show you the estimated size. This is 70 megabytes. Okay, then it's on the highest resolution. I don't want to change the resolution, I don't want to change the frame rate. So what I have to do is just click on save. So it will do its own stuff, and right now is actually saving our videos. Mind you, ensure that you make the whole edit that you're trying to use, and most of the times try to stay clear of most of these videos that most of this music that has copyright issues, because most times, although you can see some videos that are playing maybe from a Nigerian artist and YouTube will not ban it, sometimes they are going to ban it. So most times try to stay free from copyrighted music. Okay, so once our video has been saved, as you can see, it's showing us that the video has been saved. So if I go to my videos right now, let me go to my videos. Okay. This is this is the video. This is the recent stuff that is on my phone. So if I open it now and I play it, as you can see, let's wait for it to play through. Okay. Okay, guys. So as you can see, our videos is right here. So guys, this is how you can create your videos for your e-commerce product, so that you can be able to create a lookalike audience based on people that have watched a certain percentage of your video. Or you can also retarget people that have watched, like say 50% or 75% of your video, because these are people that are highly interested in what you are trying to sell, unlike those people that will just click your ad by mistake and they will click off. So it's more important to have a video so that you can be able to retarget those people, because that's where you're going to make most of your sales, just based on the result that I already have here. Okay, so guys, this comes to the end of this video, and make sure that you check out the next video I'm going to put up, because I'm going to show you how to create a profitable Facebook ad so that you can be able to generate this kind of results that we have here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Ensure that you subscribe to this video right now. Ensure that you subscribe to this channel. Ensure that you click that like button, that bell notification button, so that when I continue to drop awesome videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you, so you will come in here and take advantage of what I'm sharing with you. Okay, thank you guys.